I'm bigger than you.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to Classroom Jeopardy. I'm your host, Mr. Hanson.
Woo!
We have, thank you. We have our teams, Miss Talmadge and Miss Atkinson.
Woo!
Give it up for Miss Talmadge. And then we have Miss Yang and Mr. Douglas. Yay! Okay, so what we want you guys to do, you kids at home, we want you to pick a team. Who do you think?
Miss Yang!
Oh, no. Do you think Miss Talmadge is going to win, or do you think Miss Talmadge is going to win? Ooh.
We got the math going, guys. We got the math.
Do you think
going.
Miss Talmadge is going to win, or Miss Talmadge is going to
There
win?
you go.
Miss Talmadge.
I guess you know where my bet is.
Well, if that's what we're betting on, I'm voting on Mrs. Talmadge.
Okay, so the way this is going to work is we're going to start with one of our categories here, and then a number, and then there's a question on the backside of each one. And then I'm going to say go, and Miss Talmadge and Miss Yang teams are going to try to answer the problem. They have to show their work, and then once they have the answer, they have to hit the bell after they have the answer on their whiteboard.
Wait, what?
Yep.
Follow directions, Mrs. Talmadge.
Okay. Our audience member selected a category before, so we're going to start out with money 300. Money 300 is going to be our first one here. Let's read it. It says how much, and it has a couple of numbers. It has 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and then a couple ones. I'm going to put this card right here.
Ones?
43.
I didn't even hear how many ones
Yeah,
there were.
you're slow.
I heard a couple. It's because you saw the card before. Cheat! It's rigged.
We have
It's
our
rigged.
first bell. We have 43. 43. Can you guys see up there? She has
25,
a
35, 41,
10,
2, 3. 43.
25.
right, Mr. Hanson.
Ooh, let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 1. Oh, it's wrong.
It doesn't
Uh-oh.
say cents
Hey,
on there. It's just
you
numbers.
cheated because you didn't tell me how many cents there were on there. So
You need the cent
the
sign.
right
in
correct
math.
answer.
40.
43
In math, you
cents.
have to put a
But the
unit.
question
You see
doesn't
the-
have
Remember,
the
gotta
cent
put the
sign.
cent sign on there.
If it's a
Got the points!
Okay.
That's
Well,
what you get
that
for
was our
cheating.
first round. We'll call that one. We'll give that one a check. But for now on, we have to have the cents and the dollars. So we're going
Give me your
to.
units,
Cheaters
guys.
never
It doesn't
prosper.
say how many cents. It says how much.
I know, how much?
Okay. We'll go.
Yeah.
300. Miss.
Oh, no.
Good
Okay.
job, Miss Yang.
So because their team won, we'll let them choose the next category.
We are going to go, addition for 1,000, Mr. Douglas.
Addition
Come
for
on,
1,000.
we got this.
Ooh.
We got this.
Right.
Is it cents?
We have a simple addition question. Let's see if we can get it right. I'm not going to read it out here. I'm just going to place it. You've got 476 plus
No,
200.
67, but that's fine.
Oh. Ooh.
713. No dollars, no cents.
713.
That's wrong.
Let's see.
That's
Oh
wrong.
my
You need to
God.
show that you carry.
713. That is the correct answer. Give it up for Miss
She didn't show how to carry her
She
ones.
needs
You have
to
to show how
carry-
you have to carry your ones.
Okay, this game is rigged by the
Totally.
math teacher.
We're giving it to Miss Talmadge. We're giving it to Miss Talmadge.
You have to show.
I need a
You have to
pen that
show.
works.
Okay.
Definitely rigged by the math teacher.
Okay, Mr. Douglas, we got this. We got
We gotta make
this.
sure we show all our work for the students at home. All our work.
need to show like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 17.
You have to show when you carry, when you borrow, and all that good stuff.
Okay, that makes sense.
We're gonna have Miss Atkinson. Why don't you pick your team one? Why don't you pick our next category here?
I'm gonna pick measuring for 200.
200. Measuring for 200. Okay. I've got a question here, and the question is, it says, measure a marker in centimeters. Measure a marker in centimeters. We were unprepared.
You guys have
Oh,
12 centimeters.
So classy!
Ding the bell, ding the bell.
Oh, you're right.
oh.
12 centimeters.
Did you put CM on there?
You sure
okay.
did.
I did after he saw
Yeah,
that.
12 centimeters. Give it up for Miss Yang. But I'm gonna hand out a warning here. He rang the bell before it was on his board. But we will give it to Miss Yang. Miss Yang.
Okay.
That was measuring for 200.
That's a little nerve-wracking.
Did you know your classroom?
Yeah.
I was like, how are they gonna get it? Okay.
The only thing that kept us from getting that first is because we didn't know where the rulers were.
Okay. Is your team winning?
We are winning.
Miss Yang's class is winning. The
That's
students
You
good.
guys
have
got the
That's
last
fine.
one.
Yes, Talmadge's
But
class
we
is
won the
winning.
last one.
Yes,
Miss-
class has.
Miss Talmadge's class, Miss Yang's class. What do you guys think? Who's gonna
Miss
win?
Yang's gonna
No,
win!
Talmadge's class already has 1,000.
We're gonna
Yeah,
let
but
Miss.
we've got 2 questions right though.
That's
You only
right.
got 1.
We're gonna let Mr.
Yeah, you got
Douglas
women
pick our next
questions, right?
category. Mr. Douglas, why don't you go ahead and pick for us?
Oh, okay. Let's do word problems for 1,000.
Word problems for 1,000.
Come on, Mr. Douglas, we got this.
This is a big question here. I'm gonna put it down. All right, are we ready? It says, I'm visiting my grandma's house on Saturday. From my house to hers, it's 94 miles. If I drove 52 miles already, how many more miles left until I get to her house?
You don't have miles on it.
How many more miles?
Well, who
was
gets it?
first?
Mr. Douglas.
Mr. Douglas rang it
I
first.
rang it first.
But he
42.
doesn't have miles.
42.
We have
We need
miles.
our unit.
There was no unit. Mr. Douglas forgot the unit. That means 42 miles is the correct answer. We'll give it to Miss Atkinson and Miss Talmadge.
I didn't put a minus
Oh
sign.
no.
Yeah, she didn't put a minus sign. Hey, if we're
Yeah, but I told you so.
Man, that
that's
was.
not my problem. I mean, if we're
Never
gonna,
again.
All right, Miss
Okay, we're
Talmadge
getting
with
an
another
competition
whopping
here.
answer.
Hey, we got this. We got this.
Let's try Miss Talmadge. Why don't you go ahead and pick a
Money for 1,000.
money for
We'll
1,000.
win this thing, right? Are we up to 3?
Not yet.
We are going to 5,000. Not
Oh,
3,000, right? Are we going?
yay.
We're going to 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, this one I'm going to put on the board. Don't forget your units and only write your answer after you have it on your board. Only ring the bell after you have it on your board.
What?
Okay?
The bell?
Okay, and the answer, or the question is, do I have enough money to buy the Pepsi?
Ah! Ah!
Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong.
Oh.
no, she put yes.
And Miss Talmadge has yes. Uh-oh.
Whoops, whoops, whoops. I totally
Answer
messed
the-
it up. I
Let's
messed it
see
up.
what
Give it
Miss
to them.
Yang
Give it
has.
to
Yeah,
them.
that's
Right?
58.
She has no, and that's the correct answer. Good job,
I don't even think I had sense either.
We're on the comeback.
For 1,000. You're welcome. You're
Yes.
welcome. I
Yes.
picked 1,000.
Woohoo! Miss Hayes! In the lead. No, she's not.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest for you this evening. We're going to have Miss
Oh.
Erica come up here and pick the next
Woo!
category. Miss Erica, why don't you go ahead and pick a category for us so our teams can do it here.
Money.
Money.
700.
Money,
for
700.
You got this, Mr.
Come on,
Douglas.
it's money. You guys got this. Come on, ladies.
Come on.
This is a good question. It says, show 57 cents in 2 ways. Show 57 cents in 2 ways. At home, can you do that before them?
Oh, nice, nice. That's good, that's good.
That's not it. Is it?
This is 50.
Sorry, everybody's okay here. Mr. Douglas rang in.
But do you have to
Mr.
have it by
Douglas.
coins or no?
I don't
By
know.
coins. What are you talking about?
Are these coins?
Yeah, but I don't- yeah, see, mine are coins. That's
These
what
are
I
our
did. It's
coins.
25, 25, 5.
We're gonna
1,
let
50,
we're gonna let
5, 1,
These
the-
are our
we're gonna let
coins.
our special guest decide who's got this right here? These are, they did it in the coin.
I
These
can't
are.
even see.
Yeah,
We
thanks
don't-
for the
and
fat
we don't
answer.
do 50-cent
$50.
pieces in
Yeah, it
this
wasn't a
class.
50
Well, we're not in this class, and it does
That's not our
exist.
problem. I mean,
It
you're supposed to know the
exists.
rules.
That was a good 50-cent piece. Oh, they're rare. We're gonna give it to Miss Yang and Mr. Douglas.
Yes, yes, yes.
Making a few rules as you go.
If you're on Miss Yang's team, you're in the
Hey,
lead.
give us back our
okay?
eraser. Quit trying to steal our eraser.
Shall
Well, you're
we?
stealing our questions. Look
Shall
at that,
we
you're
see
standing
what
right
the
in
score
front
is?
of the bell.
We're getting them right.
Shall.
Scoot
Because
over
we're
here,
getting
stand
them
right in
right.
front of the bell.
Let's see
Hey.
what the.
Let's see who's winning so far.
Let's see.
Screaming.
We have
Hopefully,
0.
Don't forget to
0,
carry, or else you don't
7,
get
8,
points.
9, 10, 11, 12.
And your commas.
And they have 2,200
Nice job.
points.
Wow.
Good.
Awesome. See? In the lead, Miss Douglas.
And then on this side, can you guys do this one at home? Let's see. 0, 0, 0, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. They have 2,000 points. Let's put the comma in. 2,000. All right, so who's in our lead here? 2,000. Miss Yang is in our lead here. All righty.
I high five you, but that's social.
Yeah.
No high fives here,
Air
okay?
fives, air fives, guys,
Absolutely,
air fives.
Okay, Miss Erica, why don't you pick our next category for us?
Oh, here, you can take this.
Oh, take this.
Word problems.
Word problems for how
Better not do that. Better not. 300.
Word problems for 300. Remember, folks, they're trying to get to 5,000. 5,000. Okay? So let's go for word problems for 300. Okay? The word problem reads, 7 birds in a tree. 3 birds flew away. How many birds left?
Left?
Left.
Our left, or how many birds
How
left
many
the
birds
area?
left?
She already, she got it.
No, I hit
Yeah,
it
and then
first.
she wrote down the
She
answer.
wrote down the answer.
No, I had.
She had the 4, she just wrote down
Why are you
birds.
questioning?
No, well, because
she
it
didn't put
sounds.
birds.
I thought it meant like how many birds left the area
Yeah, that would be a trick question.
instead of how many birds are
Are
left. Well,
We-
there's no R.
Miss Talmadge brings up a good point. The question was poorly written. No. It was going.
I still got the right
But
answer.
she did get the right answer. The answer was 4 birds. Congratulations.
Good job.
Was
Good
it
job.
confusing a little bit? Like how many birds left the area? Like how many? You know,
We've got 300 more points.
300.
That puts us in the lead, yay!
There's 7 birds and 3 flew.
how many birds left?
How many birds?
Three.
Left.
How many birds left the tree?
3 of them
I
flew away.
only have
Oh,
6.
how many birds left?
Yeah.
Depends on how you, yeah, true.
Depends how
Five.
Okay, we're gonna
Listen
have
me.
Miss Talmadge pick our next card
All
here.
right.
Miss Talmadge, what do you think?
Subtract for 1,000.
Subtract for.
Got this. Show your work, Mr. Douglas. Show your work.
We've got a simple subtraction problem here. I'm gonna put it down and we'll see who can do it.
As soon as you're done.
You're gonna see who can do it. Boom! 364 minus 156. Make sure you
Good job,
carry.
good job.
Show your work.
Beautiful, beautiful. We were a pair. Like I
Let's
banged
see.
it when she.
Miss Atkinson has 208.
You got it right.
Looks like she
Why didn't you
carried,
do
she
that?
Because I
crossed
was going
out.
back to try and show.
Good
You have to show
job,
our
Miss
work.
Atkinson. Miss Atkinson and Miss
If I
Talmadge
just put
got
the answer down.
another
Oh, shoot.
1,000 points.
Good job, opponent. Good job. Good work. Good work.
Yeah, hey, we got it.
Good work.
Good, that was good.
All right.
All right.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, so my turn?
Your turn.
Update at home here. Whose team are you guys on? Are you guys on Miss Talmadge's team or Miss Yang's team?
Miss Yang.
Oh,
Miss Talmadge's team
Miss
is
who's
winning.
winning here.
Miss
I
Talmadge's
think
team
Miss
is
Talmadge is
winning.
winning. Miss
Okay.
Talmadge's team is winning, and Miss Yang's team is slightly behind. But we
That's
have a lot
okay.
more questions.
That's
Let's see.
okay.
Do it.
We can
Miss
do it.
Talmadge
Thank you.
or Miss Atkinson, why don't you
This
go
is your
ahead and
eraser.
pick our category?
Get it off my
I'm gonna do addition for 700.
Addition for
Yes,
700.
get this thing moving.
Okay.
I know.
We have
None of them are over there.
a 2-digit addition problem here. 2-digit. Let's see if you guys can do this one at home with them. Let's see. 67 plus 39.
Oh, you got it!
Miss
I
Yang,
heard that first, though.
Miss Yang's hand got it.
Don't mess with
She
me.
says 106.
That was close.
She carried.
so
It was
I
16,
sure did, Miss
6,
Jansen.
7, 8,
Nice
9,
job.
10, 106. Good job, Miss Yang. The score is getting close, my friends. The score is getting close. Let's see.
I think we need to go to 2,000, game would be over like.
I
I have 10% left.
know. Uh-oh.
All right.
Whenever it dies, we'll just be like.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe 3,000 should be.
Miss Yang, why don't
Yes.
you go ahead and pick our next category?
We are going for the big bucks and measuring for 1,000.
Measuring per thousand. Does each team have a couple rulers here?
What do we need first, Mr. Hanson? Beans?
Ooh, you don't need the measuring thing. You simply need to tell me. Let's see. I'll put the thing here and then. Are you guys ready?
Maybe.
What? It says name items to be placed on A and B.
I don't understand. Do you understand?
Any two items to make that scale
To make,
correctly.
I don't know what that
Bell
says.
on this side, feather on this side.
Okay, you get, I'll give that. I have no idea what
Yeah, we
that
didn't even know what the question meant, yeah.
Balancing
It's a
beans.
balance. Which
Well,
one's heavier?
Yeah,
This
if
side's
you
heavier
had
'cause it's
items
down.
here, that would help.
Well, you gotta make it up.
Okay,
Have you
so
been attending
if
class?
we looked at this, we can tell that A is much lighter than B. So B should be down, should be heavy, and A should be light. Mr. Douglas has a ball, kind of heavy, and then a feather. A feather is gonna be very light. So yes, correct, Miss Yang and Miss
Good job, good job.
Yay, all
Correct.
right.
Another 1,000 points in there.
I think we should have had one math
No, that's
person on
it.
one side.
Pins works, but
Go get one. Where's your pins?
not all three of them in there are the same.
Get one off the whiteboard.
Okay.
No, I think there's only one. I think
no,
I tasted
no.
it.
It's okay, because you know what? We have 10% battery.
Okay. You know what, I'm gonna quickly add, what is our total score here? We're gonna have
Almost touched him.
3,300.
They're up by 600.
And you're gonna
We're
have
at,
3,000.
we're at by 6.
Oh, we are up. Right. Oh, that was per thousand.
Oh,
Yeah, that was for
She went for the
1,000.
big
I went
bucks.
for the big
So we need
bucks.
So as you
1,100.
can see, Miss Yang's class.
Okay, we gotta get this, Miss Talmadge, we gotta get this.
Yes.
Let's keep going, I'm gonna go ahead and pick the next category. We're gonna go word problems for 700
Right.
here. Word problems for 700, okay. We have 43 goldfish at the store, 19 birds at the pet store. How many more goldfish than birds?
Is that right?
And goldfish.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see. Oh, Miss Talmadge rang it first, but she doesn't have the unit. What are we talking about here? Are we talking about goldfish or birds? Let's see, Miss Yang's. Jeez, Miss Yang. Is
my
it 42?
goldfish.
Okay, all
That's
right.
my goldfish. These are
24
my birds.
goldfish. She is correct. It's 24 goldfish.
These are my
goldfish,
fish,
yeah.
and these are my birds.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
You gotta have visuals.
Yeah, well, we were wondering why you put infinity on your.
I was thinking about Ed.
Yeah.
I was thinking about Ed. I was thinking about you,
Now
so
it
we
looks
put
like a fish.
infinity.
Oh, sorry, I erased it.
4600.
Oh, my goodness, look at that,
All right.
Miss Talmadge, or Miss Yates.
Ooh, 400. Come on, Mr. Douglas, we got this. 400. We're gonna be winners.
We're
Wait,
going
gotta
to.
Come on.
Oh, no.
I can do the math, I just can't do the units.
I would have got the units on.
All right. It is time for our daily double.
Woo!
This is worth twice as many points.
All right.
All right?
That's
Twice as many points. Miss Talmadge's team needs to win this to keep inside the game. If Miss Yang's group wins, she wins the entire
Yes!
thing. Let's see.
How many
let's
points
see.
is that worth, Mr. Hanson?
Let's see. 700 plus 700 equals 1,400. That's a lot of points. Let's see what our problem is, okay?
Okay. I don't like minus.
You're like, ooh. Miss Talmadge has 58. 58.
that
That
right?
seems to be correct. She carried, she crossed out. Good job, Miss.
She really
Wow.
wants to win, huh? Okay, we got this.
Oh my goodness.
We got
Let's
this.
see.
Do I
So
win?
close. No,
We don't win.
Doesn't
Not
put us
yet.
no, that puts
not
us,
yet.
that puts us within 200 points of them.
Oh my goodness. Let's do another daily
100
double.
point.
Yeah.
100 points.
Well,
A daily triple.
Uh-oh.
well,
Uh-oh.
We
they're
have
within 100 and we're within 300.
4,700
Or
total
no,
points
oh, I thought
for
they
Miss
said
Talmadge's.
4,900.
And Miss Yang has
We got
4,600.
this. Come on.
Okay, let's
We're
go.
going to do
Come on.
one more question here.
You should come up with your
One
own.
more question.
Make it
Let's
at
see.
least
It's gotta
400.
be at least 400.
400. Okay, let's do a addition problem.
All right, let's see.
And let's do this 500 one. This is gonna be our last one,
For
folks.
the win, guys,
This is
for
for
the
the win.
win.
Who are you voting for? Vote. Like the video if you think Miss Yang or Miss Talmadge is gonna win. Who's gonna win? Let's see. This is for the win. 94 plus 58. 94 plus 58.
Did I get it or did you get it?
So funny. Miss Yang, what happened? Miss Talmadge.
I had an anxiety attack.
Miss Talmadge rang it first. She has 152, and that is the correct answer. Good job, Miss Talmadge. Good job.
That's her 5.
I
Oh,
had an anxiety
Not a
attack.
perfect 5.
Okay, everyone.
I know, me
That
too.
means Miss Talmadge
That's okay.
won.
Yay!
Let's see. Good job.
Yay for Mrs. Talmadge. Oh, air 5. Air 5.
Air 5, everyone.
Were you guys right at home? If you were, better luck next time. Thank you guys. We like you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Have fun.